So Jamaica, YouTube. Big up on yourself. Right now the drama start. Boom! On the subscribe button. Right now, smash it like. Yo, a artist just get slapped with. Me a talk about say, a artist get gunned down, dog. Lyrically, that is, a artist just get slapped with. Yo, ever since this whole thing a forward, and me a tell you say, artists from all over start the clashing. And me a tell us if you wait a look like right now. Plus the confirmation from Leng, Sting will be available at your display, at your phone, on your TV, Pansor Jamaica, and also pay-per-view. Now people, we see which part Demarco get rushed wicked, brawling, Renee, 6:30. What's she name? A Shene or a Renee? Don't mess up her name. Renee 6:30. Run out brawling with her 4-5. I empty the clip. Ba 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 ba. Shut up, fat Albert. Me I tell you say people appear, things are gone. Them a investigate the thing and I say she left PS Peng Shell and dirt Demarco. Them a say, look like a Kyodi put out the hit dog. Cause them a say right now, Kyodi has been off the scene since Demarco land the airplane. And I call the man Tommy now. No, people appear drama going in a dancehall to blood. People on know say the podcast over here so not normal. So what me I beg you to do right now, share the content. Share it right now, brother. And take 2 seconds out of your day and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. Yeah, light up on the bad people. So, now people, let's get down to the business part of the section of the program now. Well, Leng, forward on the fix. Big up, Leng. If you bring back such a great entertainment to Jamaica. Sting was very missed for a minute. And last thing go on with that thing, and right now we need to see Sting turn up and burn up the place. On the know say Jamerald will be available this coming Christmas for you to copy your tickets and support dancehall like on the son wanted. But no, the main thing is now, people, will Demarco live up to his words? Obviously, even if the 6 million never run, some negotiation go on, and the artist will be on stage performing. And there is also words of his previous performance. Well, they said it was a bit shaky from the bonnet boss. And people was also saying that Mr. legendary walk and talk was being such a hypocrite after saying, and let's be honest, him burn out them marker, not call them man the name around me. People, this is So Jamaica, where we have the latest in a whole like drama we are going. Alright? And we also have to deal with that situation right now where the R and the skr, brother, mad. People right now. I wanna say R or skr. Drop it in the comment section right now. If a R or a skr, wanna say. Cause me I telling you say right now, dancehall about to get even more interesting. And after the shaky performance them, what they now it about to be Sting officially. So all of the artists them what did a talk and did a wish to see them favorite opponent where them want to run up on and shell them out lyrically on the stage. Here is the time. Now, this is amazing Soul Jamaica. Now, people, YouTube, all you know say, she now has known for a past while now as a very lyrical person and talented person, writer, you know? Previously, even linked with DJ Khaled, right? Now, I must say, even myself was expecting more from especially the first song entering in a war, right? Only for screechy peachy party pit, it wasn't received well, and Demarco actually take it to the line and make a mockery of the song doing a review, which people can't blame Demarco because war is war and it's not fair. It can never be fair. You know what I'm saying? So now, my people, what wanna feel like say now? Who will be victorious out this one? Cause Demarco claim to say he have 3 duppy. Wanna really feel say him get rid of Skillibeng, not Skillibeng. Wanna think say him get rid of Fully Bad? No, cause him even say Fully Bad do a better respond than Shane, right? So obviously him rate Fully. You understand me? But so far, it's like the man just take a set from Kyodi, brother. And me I tell you, say, right now, the man have the place I call the man Tommy, brother. And I say, be a Tom, the Dana walk running. And I say, no, that you can't make the man think look like that. So, Jamaica, YouTube. Pick up on yourself. Right now, the drama start. Boom. Subscribe button. Right now, smash it like. Yo, a artist just get slapped with. Me a talk about say, a artist get gunned down, dog. Lyrically, that is, a artist just get slapped with. Yo, ever since this whole thing of forward, and me a tell you say, artists from all over start the clashing. And me a tell you say, if you wait, I look like right.